with gold color in the whole package. And this is the foreshadow. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dear, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes. So today I'm super excited because today we are going to review and try the new makeup palette from Burberry Beauty. Tara guys, oh my god, this one really iconic packaging guys. Oh my god. And today I create this eye look, use the face palette from Burberry of course guys. So if you are curious, this palette ya guys, 125 single is worth it to buy or not. So keep on watching. With gold color in the whole package, it's make this face palette looks very luxurious. But what I like about it's simple but luxurious and really iconic. Okay guys, this face palette has one blush, is dusty pink matte, and has 4 eyeshadow, is the Burberry Beige matte, golden shimmer, dark Carmine satin, and bridal brown satin. And the last has highlighter is rose gold shimmer. Okay guys, actually all this color is super pretty and wearable for daily makeup. Okay guys, let's see the swatch for you. Okay guys, this is the blusher. Okay, like this on my hand. And this is the foreshadow. This is the matte, this one the shimmer, and this one two satin colors. I really love this color. They are very pigmented. And this one the highlighter guys, highlighter. Yeah guys, I bought this palette because I was curious about a makeup from Burberry Beauty. Actually, this is first time I purchased makeup from Burberry Beauty guys. If you have experience with Burberry brand, any makeup product, you can share your experience on comment section below guys. Yeah guys, about pigmentation of this palette actually is pretty good. I just don't like the satin one, but the shimmer is good. And about this formula is powder formula, similar to your makeup. And actually this makeup style is more to natural style. Okay guys, if you ask me this palette worth it to buy or not, yeah, it's depending on your need and your makeup style guys. If you are looking for a palette with the good pigmentation and good formula, actually from a drugstore brand is plenty too. So if you are like natural makeup style, guys, you can buy this because the color is actually suitable for jelly makeup, you can see. But if you are like to play eyeshadow color, guys, colorful color, of course you don't buy this, guys, because this is for jelly makeup look is suitable. Okay guys, that's all of my video today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, hope this video can help you to select your makeup favorite. Okay guys, thank you so much and see you on the next my video. Bye bye.